Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing amazing as always. Today's tutorial is a cute little heart that you can crochet in just 1 minute. And you can use it as an accessory or decoration for your other crochet projects. Before we start the tutorial, please support Rina Studio by like and subscribe. All we need is some yarn in your favorite color and crochet hook. That's it. To start, we make a magic ring and chain 3. Now crochet 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 1 chain, 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring and your 1 minute heart is ready! If you want to learn crochet from scratch, make sure to check out this video. If you like easy tutorial for beginners, you can also watch the chick and mini jellyfish tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe us!